Hi, this is Steve from SewingGold.com, and this is a problem one of our customers, Angela, is having with too much oil going to the hook assembly on her Juki 1541. This is going to work also for a 1541S or any other copy of a Juki that's similar to this. So what we've got is too much oil going to the hook, and we need to control it by loosening this nut, and we're going to use a 9mm wrench to loosen that. Sorry, there we go. And once we loosen that, we're going to back that screw out. Okay, so we're going to turn it counterclockwise until it's almost all the way out. Oh, go ahead, I'm sorry. Let me zoom in while you're doing that, and you can see. So we're going to keep turning that. If it comes all the way out, don't worry about it. Once we turn it almost all the way out, it's going to reduce the oil to very, very little. You're going to get a little tiny bit of spray, and I'm going to explain how to show how much oil is coming out of the machine. So it could still come out a little farther, but we're going to leave it like this. And so then once you get that piece tightened, can you put the machine back up, Jose? Alright, so as you can see, we have cardboard underneath here, but what you could do is you could just take any piece of paper and put it into your drip pan. So, Jose, where's that piece of cardboard that you were using? I'm going to pause this while he's grabbing a piece of cardboard. Okay, so now we put a piece of cardboard underneath it. And like I said, you could just put a little piece of paper in your drip pan. We have this on top of a table. And then you could run your machine. When you run the machine, you're going to have to make sure you wipe it down before you do this test. And then when you run it, go ahead and run it, Jose. Run it, and you're going to see a little bit of a splatter of oil on the cardboard. So as you can see, we're getting a little bit of drip drops, which is perfectly fine, and that's perfectly normal, and that's fine. You just don't want to see a ton of oil. If you've got a ton of oil, just loosen that screw a little more and then tighten the nut back up. Okay? Make sure you clean it really good before you do this test. All right, and if you have any questions, give us a call. 888-505-4565. I am Steve from SewingGold.com, and Jose's the one who did that fix for you. Thanks a lot.